Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Bittorrent price prediction and Bittorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Bittorrent in 2022. Bittorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. Bittorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, Bittorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC-10 standard. According to official documents, Bittorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original Bittorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed Bittorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Bittorrent. Report: Justin Sun accused of insider trading and gaming the crypto market system. A new investigative report published on The Verge has linked crypto mogul Justin Sun to many infractions. According to the piece, Sun, who co-founded Tron and also owns Bittorrent and Poloniex, has broken almost every rule in the book since he started his crypto journey. The many sins of Justin Sun, the controversial CEO, has been embroiled in several controversies from tax evasions to market manipulation since 2017. After Tron forced him to leave China, his actions in the US at the helm of Bittorrent and Poloniex could make him liable for prosecution. The plate regulations on cryptocurrencies. While India is awaiting its crypto asset bill to be presented in the parliament, Thailand is reportedly preparing a similar framework to improve investor protection and minimize risks with cryptocurrencies. Thailand has however rolled out allowing cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. Its neighbor Myanmar's parallel government has declared the use of Tether, USDT, US dollar-pegged stablecoin, as official currency. Its finance minister has claimed that USDT would offer trade and transaction efficiencies. Meanwhile, the US SEC has delayed the decision on Bitcoin ETFs in the US to early February. Brands continue to push into metaverse, and NFT's iconic sportswear manufacturer Nike has acquired a virtual sneaker brand RTFKT this week that confirms its entry into the metaverse. RTFKT will help Nike deliver next-generation collectibles that combine culture and gaming. Its competitor Adidas Originals has announced the launch of their NFT collection named Into the Metaverse this week. Piracy when it launched in 2001. But since its acquisition in 2018 by Tron blockchain founder Justin Sun, it's become focused on providing file storage for developers of decentralization applications, dApps. What is the short-term Bittorrent crypto price prediction? What is a realistic future target price? We look at the latest BTT coin price predictions and news to help you better navigate the market. Bittorrent launches new BTTC token. What is BTT? Bittorrent is one of the world's largest P2P file sharing networks, with more than 90 million active users and an installed base of more than 2 billion software clients. The protocol was invented by computer programmer Bram Cohen in 2001 to facilitate the transfer of large files between users without the need for a central server. Cohen left Bittorrent Incorporated in 2017 to launch cryptocurrency startup Chia, XCH. When Tron acquired Bittorrent, the BTT utility token was introduced to incentivize transactions. According to the project's white paper, the token and extended protocol will create a token-based economy for networking, bandwidth and storage usage. BTT acts as a transaction mechanism for the use of computing resources shared between Bittorrent clients, and provides liquidity for services in the ecosystem. Bittorrent has traditionally seen structural inefficiency, as it is possible for users to complete file downloads before they have uploaded an equivalent volume. Once their downloads are completed, there is no incentive for them to continue uploading. Bittorrent Speed was introduced as an extension to the Bittorrent and Torrent download clients, which enables downloaders to pay uploaders in BTT tokens for faster download speeds. That gives uploaders the incentive to share files for longer and provide more bandwidth and storage to the network. Employees also accused him of being domineering and sometimes ordering illegalities. According to a former employee, when Sun wanted to launch the Bittorrent token, he wanted to avoid liability by describing it as a utility token. Thus, he asked the chief compliance officer for Bittorrent, David Labhart, to draft a document showing BTT was a utility token and not security. Although Labhart refused to do this, Sun still launched the token by airdropping it to Bittorrent users. The article also detailed the multiple bank accounts linked to Sun and his citizenship in several countries as an attempt to escape any prosecution. Sun allegedly took control of $11 million worth of Bitcoin belonging to Poloniex users. Another allegation is that his crypto exchange, Poloniex, was involved in shady and risky activities. These include being registered in Seychelles Islands to evade liability despite most of the workers being in Boston and lowering the kick standards. Also, Sun, using a project tagged Operation Couch Cushions, was said to have recovered roughly 300 BTC belonging to the users of the exchange, but converted them for his personal use by obscuring the transaction trail of the coins. Sun threatens to sue. However, Sun has responded to claims in the article stating that most were fabricated. According to him, Poloniex is a secure exchange that uses the best state-of-the-art kick technologies. He also added, the Poloniex isn't registered in Seychelles, and the exchange doesn't operate in the US. He added that as the ambassador of Grenada to the World Trade Organization, he upholds the highest standards in all of his dealings. He also mentioned the possibility of pursuing legal remedies. Price of $0.008 for 2024. Bittorrent price prediction 2025. It looks like by 2025, Bittorrent, BTT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $0.010. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Bittorrent's maximum price could reach up to $0.012 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Bittorrent price prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Bittorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. Bittorrent rate prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Bittorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. Bittorrent price prediction 2028. The current Bittorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. BTT rate prediction 2029. BTT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Bittorrent rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the Bittorrent rate will be almost $0.046. The maximum bet we can get is $0.054. Bittorrent end 2029 average price prediction could be around $0.048. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. BTT rate prediction 2030. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Bittorrent will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2030, BTT is expected to peak at $0.079. The minimum bet could go up to $0.065 if the market turns bullish.